But really and truly, who you think I throw shade at the gully?
A few moments later.
In an Alkaline song, No Emotions, in,
Yeah.
you could go for Jamil, and maybe you could go for Vado.
Mm-hmm.
They must say, yo, one look at Sympathy making a dog jump off.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
But guess what? Me not gonna bust my brain and try to figure. Me not gonna listen back Alkaline past 2 songs them and try to figure out if a Vado that I'm no. Me not gonna try to put 1 and 2 together. No.
One eternity later.
Me feel like because the people must say no a cartel, but at the end of the day,
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
bro, when people are talking about cartel figure this somebody or this that the person, they know. No. See, right now, if Vado come out right now and this cartel brawling, me I go forward out and say, oh, cartel need me will forward out and say that say cartel, you listen to me, you need whatever promise you did make. Just no say I say go. You need to answer Vado
Brother.
no.
You move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
One Media Fox is back. You understand? People don't know things that in a one Media Fox money up. You see me? Yeah man, no son, never seen a video today, but you see me? About today, yesterday. So look here now. So Kris Genius them run out and a chat a bag of things. I mean I feel laugh. Cause you know Media Fox go to work, don't? Alright. Watch you now.
There's a bag of controversy, you know, because Vado say from him a be a shades,
Touch back, yeah, shades.
a lone shade, 3 and them something. But really and truly, who you think I throw shade at the gully?
Yo, in an Alkaline song, No Emotions, in,
Yeah.
you have one specific line. Where you even highlight it too. Where you could go both ways.
Mm-hmm.
You could go for Jamil, and maybe you could go for Vado.
Mm-hmm.
They must say, yo, one look at Sympathy making a dog jump off. Yeah, push it so you take it things so far, you see me?
Mm-hmm.
Don't quote me. I tell you exactly what I'm saying about
Yeah,
something like that. You know the line I'm talking about?
Yeah, man, I know the line you're talking about, man.
Alright, and then that, and then Vado say, yo, try and jack back a yard, so man I show shade.
Shades, yeah.
But then, Vado say, bust them head and linking counterpart. What counterpart mean?
Yo, in our real life, me never.
I want man alone go by fear in a dancehall.
Yeah, man, yeah.
People, you don't know. Kris Genius I put a rep for the Gaza thing, you know, but if you look on him face, you can't see him now and hear that. You understand? Cause me kinda realize the Gaza man them a run for me thing, you know. You see it? Yeah, them not like hear when the people say, oh, Mavado at this cartel, they not like hear it. But why them so afraid? I don't understand. This is dancehall. You see me? The place supposed to shake up. I don't know why the man them a cry. How I go on? Man them a say Alka this, yo, Alka. Brother, Alka don't tell you in a key man already. You see me? Walk the walk. Don't size up. Talk with dark. Remember, you know, Alka ready for anything, brother. Anything. Dangerous youth. Anything Alka ready for. Alka no wet bread. You see me? So, if a man ready, him just ready. You see it?
Yeah, man.
But Vado is specifically state the type of fear.
Yeah.
I want to Kris Genius. I be a yeah. Bro, only so cool up, dog. What happened, so? Man just say you like him nervous. Remember say Cartel had the fear thing, you know. Like him put him face with the mask, the helmet thing, like the fear thing over him head, and but it's like the man now, man nervous, dog. How I go and people them call up.
So never does the fear and
Yo.
call a country name before the fear.
Yeah, down in Egypt.
You see me?
Mm-hmm.
So, me I say, yo, you can be, but me not like real between the line now. I'm like,
And that's the thing. But guess what? No?
This brother.
Because people are say, yo, it's just another bad man song. No. You see, if Franny say, yo, Franny drop back a yard, man, I throw shade and then something, I have to somebody attack. I say, if I know somebody attack, him basically say them words and then If try start some controversy. If try, if he try make people talk about him songs in. Him song them. You understand? So, if I know somebody immature jobs that, I must that him try to them. Try build some kind of controversy thing around it to make people talk. Like what we are doing now, I say, yo, who am I talk and this and that? I have people because people are say too somebody.
But the thing is that, bro, my father say, whatever what show shades, he must show shades to every artist that show shades, bro. Even Cartel I do that. You understand? Cartel I do that, brother. You see it, but we don't know. Cartel kind of cool up still. You know, him saying nah, do not gun tune, so yeah, him put in a white flag. You see it, so if anybody ever go after him, it don't make no sense. Man will put in him white flag, so I just eat that, bro.
This. And it's Alkaline and Vibes Cartel. And that everybody has say. But at the end of the day, I think in a few hours.
I say popcorn, I get I say popcorn, I say, yo, oh, you put what's name in my man,
They say a whole heap of all Jamil, me see them a bringing it. All Jamil, me see them a bringing it, bro. So guess what now? Me for this say it already. And when Vado had this man, Vado this man brawling, bro. And that's when Vado in the beat on the bush and show shit. But right now, Vado go shade in that song. Vado a chat about people are shade him and him a shade. Maybe the sense is set of people. But
yeah, brother, that's what I think said, brother. Everybody has shade, you see, that's what I think said. Cause at the end of the day, bro, when Cartel dip on him tour them, when him a sing the Baba Boy tune, the man sing it out, brother. You understand? And he's a this that to Mavado, so if Mavado go say fear and all of them look a thing there, brother. I see him thing. Bro, cause look at now. I don't know why the guys are people them. I see all man run out. Yo, Alkaline him attack this. It's like, bro, no cool up, brother. No uno sound artist bad. Like, bro, it's like, man, him cool up, brother. Man, him a ball. I say, yo, on a Cartel him attack. Yo, Alkaline. Bro, stop it crying, dog. You understand? I dance all this, you know. War is the greatest. You don't know a thing set, brother. You see it? Clash, yeah, them thing they run dancehall for years, bro. That's how you go. If them are true look shades and thing, yeah, it go, you know, a bag of controversy. People are gonna say, yo, a bag of speculation. Man, I say, this man I get this, this man I get this, this man I get this. That's how make a place nice.
Guess what? Me not gonna bust my brain and try to figure. Me not gonna listen back Alkaline past 2 songs them and try to figure out if I Vado that I'm no. Me not gonna try to put 1 and 2 together. No.
Yeah.
We not supposed to. Bro, come on, man. I know back in the days, man. We not supposed to do what I say. Yo. I want that for this as well. Eh? People gonna bring out popcorn and I didn't even remember say, yo, Ray.
My popcorn here, bro.
You understand me?
Yes, bro. I feel like Vado and popcorn.
But people, Vado say something in his song. The man say, anybody in war, them dead already. Who in a dancehall popcorn Mavado war? That more I know. If Mavado say anything war or something like so, them dead already. We know say Mavado war popcorn and him war Cartel. So only them two that when him said a line that we can really think about. Cause of the two of them we know go at war. You understand? Remember say Mavado say, yo, what more if it's a party father go murder the son? You understand? So when the man say that, bro, come on, bro. I feel like so guys I'm gonna try shift the narrative, dog. Right, bro. If the man say anybody when war dead already, who Mavado war in a dancehall? Come on, bro, and stop it crying, dog, and speak the facts. Stop beat around the bush, dog. You see me? We know say Cartel maybe not go run out or do anything. Cause right now you don't know him kind of cool up, you know, in the war thing no more. You see me? Yeah, bro.
Yeah. So, bro, me know Vado a shade. Vado a shade somebody. Vado a shade somebody. Yeah, man, he must shade somebody. You understand? But you have to remember, you know.
Bro, shots fired out.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir?
Yeah, man.
Shots fired.
Yeah, man, shot fire, man. Wow, watch ya. Me feel like, because the people must say, you know, a cartel, but at the end of the day, in a few hours, them are going to announce Freedom Street, Europe, them are going to make people know what is what.
People, tell about them, man, you know, dog. Him no want hear that, you know. Him don't, that's him a try steer, but yo, him and Cartel I got this and that and, you know? Brother, if a man get this in a song, he get this in a song, dog. Cause at the end of the day, this not have nothing to do if them are going to do show. What whatsoever Europe, Freedom Street. Because at the end of the day, brother, enough time, me see Cartel a perform and bring up the Baba Boy song. You understand? Yeah, Baba Boy don't run and all of them little thing there. So nothing wrong with that, bro. Now move too, brother, now move too weak, dog. Can't believe that Gaza man them move, so. You see me? Cool up, bro.
Because them say 18 years in the making. You get me? I say, so if you do the maths, not the more than, and then they say they something about the war or something clash, something where they find a whole new generation or something. Yeah.
On the Europe side.
Yeah. So me I say, if at that, why would Vado try shade Cartel and Cartel done forward and say, oh, he nah do no more bad man song? Me would understand, you know, if Cartel say, alright, he must get back in that mood and him and Vado just do a lyrical thing then basically, because nothing wrong with that, you know. Me there your feet, you know.
Brother, I don't move for me, so brother. Nah hypocrite, dog. Nah hypocrite. You talk about you wouldn't mind, but when other artists are call him out, not talk about you wanna pay the money, but you Vado now. Bro, wanna cool up, brother. Wanna cool up, bro. Is it? That's some old beef thing, you know, the pan. You see me? I wanna play some Sympathy card with Cartel. How I go on? Cartel usually sing bad man to in a war. How I know? Jaja.
Muda happy.
But I would like the competition.
Bro, I say Muda happy right now. If Cartel say, yo, you wanna him and Vado, I go do a little lyrical fuel right now for 2026.
Love it, bro. Love competition.
Because guess what? In basically I go show up here as a youth, you know, where just like
We're scared, bro.
we're scared and yeah. Because guess what? If them youth there,
Them know youth in a dancehall coward. Brother, I got coward about my tell you something, dog. You know?
People, you saw the money I thought, dog. The money are really pocket, you know, brother. This man say Mavado for Cartel for wire for show up them youth, yeah. When the youth them a call up, remember say Massacre been a call out Cartel and the man them a say, yo, Ray, Cartel na answer, you know. Then you I go say no. For sure say, yo, them the young youth them a coward. When the same man them a call out, I say, yo, Cartel Ray. But I'm Mavado. Me tell you that we don't weak out, you know, brother. You see me? We don't weak out, bro. I'm Mavado. Come like I'm Mavado when I have strength for that shadow youth. The dangerous, you know. Me see why Cartel only the kind of do a official war with Mavado. Because I don't run up a lot of artists, but him just, I don't know, I guess him pick and choose in battle. You see it, but I be a madness in that talk, bro. You see me? Be a madness from.
I say, last night, baby mother come jump us on phone to my daughter.
People, listen this keenly.
I should just stop for a quick second and listen to I listen to the Mavado song, Carter, attention.
yeah.
And she said, yo, let me hear this song. And she said, yo, I'm my favorite song this funny with him. And she is not a Mavado fans.
Yeah.
She's a Gaza shouting the street.
Mm-hmm.
And she said, I must be a fear boy too.
Mm-hmm.
And she said, Gaza, you see me? Bro, and it's like, for some reason, we start talking about, she said, why Mavado? And she said, why Massacre and Cartel and Fred Mario? And we start explaining to her. So, yo, the link them a genuine man. Them man go link because them the ones up Alkaline. Because Alkaline did the job after all. And she said, yo, play after all. And we start playing and get back in the old vibes of that. And she show me, say, yo, why when they Alkaline want everybody did fear them them time.
So wait there. Not them just say the young artists them afraid. So all them a say no we Alkaline want war, nobody never want war. How coward them dog? Eh? Even the girl know what I want. Jaja dog, gonna cool up.
Why no one tell that she don't want to see war? If you love your man, because I remember back in the days when you want war, everybody don't want war. It's a thing, by the way. When them see one brave artist,
Yo boy, Kris do a bomba fake laugh a while ago, you see.
them say, him a troublemaker, him a look high, him think water down, or him a look a come back off of them near man, them not give them on the forward. No bro, some scared punk artists ever said that. Them afraid of competition. They know that afraid for them fancy, them a get this by the next artist. And them would have too much skeleton and them closet, but them afraid to get exposed. And they know that when time war start, things that go talk with in the dark.
Yeah.
So them know that just covered in no school a dancer, bro. And we see it, brother. How much of them say run out of one clash? Which clash they say continue past 4 or 5 songs? They last about 15 years.
Free man in a real life.
What do you mean by which clash 4 or 5 songs? I don't understand that. Massacre and Tamilino already, brother. No more than 4 or 5 songs, you know. I don't understand this.
Them a
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yo, me feel like Mavado and Cartel, we just forward, but me not even gonna say Ray, but me feel like they forward back and go so bam and show the youths them how to do it. Remind them. Show them in
Me feel
person.
like if anybody ever go draw a Cartel, if you can't sing a bad man song, me feel like I'm over there.
Mavado. Yeah, me feel like I'm Mavado.
Me feel like I'm over there alone, know what to say. Forget him. I say, yo, no, don't buck out with that youth dog. Cause I remember saying that.
Bro.
If I'm over there, did a friend.
Bro.
It's different. When you're a man did a friend, I don't know what everything and a dog was a walker. I don't want life with one another.
Bro, you see when people are mention Cartel name, bro, and war with people. And Mavado, them conversation that we supposed to have, brother. We not supposed to have Mavado name with some other artist or Cartel name with some other. And the two of them names supposed to be always there in the same line, in the same sentence, the same convo. You understand?
Yeah.
So, bro, when people are talking about Cartel figure out this somebody or this that the person, no. See, right now, if Vado come out right now and this Cartel brawling, me I go forward out and say, Cartel need
I'm a feel like
Yo, you saw them, man. Yo, so when other people call for Cartel with this, yeah, I tell Cartel if you not answer about Mavado. Mavado where, remember say Mavado say anything in war dead already, you know, bro. So you want Mavado for war Cartel again? And that you know one dog, bro, that sound weakish, dog. You come I don't understand this. When Cartel had this up Bounty Killer, we up in the business before Cartel. I what that? I don't understand. But Cartel never had this up Bounty. Look how much bigger artists are this artist and all of them little thing there, dog. Yeah, talk about Mavado alone. Bro, move from one side, dog. You see me? See man train white flag. Oh no, we not talk about Cartel now meets no war. But as Mavado forward back now, I do a look at thing. We not talk about yo. Yeah man, the better man Mavado. Brother, yo dog, I tell the people. Them man them weak, dog. I tell you that, them weak. So you want Cartel to go war back Mavado after Mavado saying kill him man already? Musically in a clash? I don't understand that, dog. That's some joke thing on the pan you. You see, it's some joke thing. That me I tell you.
I would out and say that say Cartel, you not listen to me, you need whatever promise you did make. Just no say so you go. You need to answer Father
Brother.
no. But Father
Remember
did
your
not diss him Bradley.
remember in the quarantine, when
People, you saw them money attack. Once a father never diss him. But we know on the stay already, dog. Gonna call up, brother. I tell you that. Gonna call up, bro. Because people, you know the reason why me even say this? You see, because Mavado and Cartel are link, and that's why I say it like this. That come like a friendly match, bro. Like, come on, fam. That's a friendly match. You see me? If Mavado and Cartel never did a link, and Mavado said this, you know what them would have say, people? Yo, Mavado look at hype off our boss. Yo, see him career dead. No matter, try look forward, the boss now pay him no mind. But through them a link now, you hear them and say, yo, I want to see Mavado and Cartel. Brother, I want to move from here, dog. I want to can chick. Move from here, brother. You understand? Nah, hypocrite, bro. True no say two man them a link and not talk about. Yeah, man, them for war and show the youths them. From here, bro. You see me? I choose Mavado and Cartel out them thing, you know, me couldn't dare chat them. Madness, dog. You see me? But people, we don't know media first go to work, you know. You know what thing said? Yeah, man. Big up on yourself. That is it.